Hello traders and welcome back to another Market Insights episode with yours truly, Richard, serving traders responsibly with Orbex. Now today is the 14th of February 2019. It is 11 a.m. Eastern European Standard Time and it is Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's, ladies and gents. Now today's episode will be special in a sense that if you are in love with the markets as I am, then you're in for a treat, because I do believe that the dollar could be preparing a reversal, hence the reason why I prepared this article for the day for the FX majors, in which I'm explaining some possible structures and wave counts and a possible completion of larger degree patterns for all major forex pairs. Let's say, for instance, starting off with the dollar index, then euro dollar, pound dollar, dollar yen, dollar Swiss, the Aussie, the Kiwi, and the CAD, right? The USD CAD right there. So let's just see what could possibly trigger such a volatile move or a possible reversal. So on the economic calendar for the day, we do have the market movers. Let's say we did have the yen's GDP, the gross domestic product release, which was obviously, as you guys can actually see, positive, and the Euro's GDP in Germany was indeed higher than expected. So again, in the green. Now the next obviously expectations would be the Eurozone's GDP, the gross domestic product, followed by the retail sales in the United States. And I do believe that this could actually make a difference for the day. So let's just jump on the actual charts, starting off with the dollar index right here on the 2-hour time frame. I have been explaining this before, the possibility of this zigzag possibly ending somewhere around the close to 150, 161.8 Fibonacci extensions of this minute A and B blue, thus determining the possible end of minute C blue, but also possibly ending minor B as a complete structure in a zigzag, minor B red right about there. Okay, and as you guys can actually see, the C leg, I'm labeling it as 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this could be an ending diagonal. So watch out, guys, for a possibility of a bearish divergence, right? So yeah, that's basically the wave count for the dollar index. Now moving on to gold on the 2-hour time frame, I do see the possibility of this being a corrective structure. So we have leg A1, let's say first leg A, and then a running contracting triangle right here in this B wave, followed by what appears to be a C leg, which would want to actually tag the 1296 area. So that's basically the level in focus, so somewhere around 1295, something around that, because it's the golden ratio from that entire rise, which I've been actually explaining previously. So that's basically the view for gold. Would be short-term bearish in order to complete this ABC structure in this leg, let's say corrective minute to green, and then possibly returning to the bullish stance. Okay, so the euro dollar right about here on the 2-hour time frame, similar to the dollar index, in a zigzag labeled as an ABC with a fifth leg right here, possibly about to complete the entire structure, hence the reason why after B comes C, right? So we do have A, then B zigzag in this B leg, and we would expect the C leg to actually start unfolding, and bullish impulse could actually start in a rally, possibly, in a sense that Euro USD could actually surprise. Now, do have myself a surprise for the day. It is Valentine's Day, so this one is for the ladies, some exotic, let's say the USD TRI, the Turkish lira right here. I know you guys like the exotics, so let's say what I'm actually labeling right here is a possibility of a trend continuation and more downside possible for the Turkish lira, for the USD TRI. So in a sense that this double free structure could possibly end soon, and this could pave the way for more downside. And the next exotic would be the US dollar Mexican peso, in which I'm labeling it as an AB with a contracting triangle in the B leg and an ending diagonal in the C leg. Now, this is this setup looks kind of good because it's actually making this it's squeezing on the upside, and ending diagonals are like unicorns sometimes. When they appear, it's like the unicorn at the end of the rainbow, right? So it is actually accompanied by a possibility of a bearish divergence as well. So as you guys can actually see, the setup, the outlook kind of remains for the possibility of the dollar softening or starting to show weakness in its price action. So that's about it for today. As always, until next time, stay in the green and many pips ahead.